All right, I'm just going to walk through a little project I did in C++. Let me share my screen. All right, here it is. Hide my taskbar up here. So get rid of that. This is it. It's just a simple client-server program. I'm using sockets to just send messages back and forth. It's just little chats right now. Ultimately, I wanted to add an encryption to the messages. And I have, let's see, I think this one right here is actually a functional program that encrypts and decrypts strings. I just wasn't able to get it put into either of these. Anyway, let me show you how it works. The only way I got this to work was using Ubuntu. So let me get that booted up. All right, and then I'm gonna all right, let's see. So start with my server. So let's do server is what it's called. So it's just gonna sit and listen on a port. I hard coded the port into this. There are ways to dynamically allocate ports, but I didn't bother with that just because this was just a simple project, so I could learn a little bit of C++, and I didn't want to make it that complicated anyway. This is so it's port 12345 that it's going to be working on. So it's listening on port 12345, and then in the client, it's hard coded in to connect to port 12345 as well. So I'll just boot up client. You see they connected. Oops. And then there's just simple messages back and forth at that point. So hey, hello, nice. So anyway, it's just pretty much for chatting at the moment. But I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. My encoding and decoding program works. You type in a string and then all it does is add 2 to the ASCII character address, I suppose. And so it just encrypts it like that. And then to decrypt it, it just removes 2 from the ASCII address or value. And I suppose I could show that one off real quick here. Actually, has it been? Has some code. There we go. So enter a string. I'll say hello, and I'll encrypt it, and that's it. And then if I run it again, and I say GQ hashtag, and I want to decrypt it, should be hello. There you go. So planning on implementing that. I might not get around to it just because you know it already does what I want it to do. There's no reason to overcomplicate it. But anyway, that is pretty much it. So if I ever come back to this to work on it, I know what it does a little bit.